this quick glueless sewless bow, I'll be using this purple 7/8 inch polyester ribbon, a pair of scissors, and a lighter. That is it. I start by cutting about 2 feet of ribbon. It's way easier for me to work with longer pieces and then cut the excess at the end. To begin the bow, I place a short end of the ribbon over my pointer and middle finger, holding in place with my thumb. I then take the longer piece and wrap it from front to back, one full time around the pointer and middle fingers. Next, I take the long end and slide it through the hole between my middle and pointer fingers. Then, bringing the long piece around to the front, I take the end and slide it through the hole where my thumb is. Next, I take the bottom loop of the long piece and slide it over to the left side of my middle finger. Finally, I take the long piece and pull it tight and use my thumb to hold the bow in place. I just kind of pull it back and forth as I'm tightening it. And then I slide it off of my fingers and adjust. And to finish it up, I cut the ends even and I seal the ends with the lighter. I just do a quick swipe across with the lighter. And now I have the perfect bow that is quick and glueless. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good one.